Welcome to Speed Scene Wiring online tutorial. This is an air pump connector and the part number is Speed Scene Wiring SSW 73. So it's SSW 73. Can be purchased on the online store. These are the seals. Part number SSW 6 and your terminals SSW 8. Part number SSW 8 and 8 inches of wire. We're going to use basic tools to go ahead and assemble this. You're going to need cutters, crimper, and there's an alphabetical index that we're going to speak of. It's A, B, C, D, and E for the teeth. This can be purchased online, speedscenewiring.com. And just some basic strippers. So go ahead and locate your two pieces of wire, 22 gauge. Go ahead and strip about 1/8 of insulation off. Place your seals on the wire. Place your terminal on the wire. We're going to go to D, the D section of your crimper. So crimp it with D first. Now go to E. Crimp down with E. Go to your back. And this is going to be A. So go ahead and flip that over to A. And that doesn't need much. So you can just go to B after that and give it another little crimp. But then go back to E. Give it your 5-pound pull test and do the next one the same way. That one is done. So start out in D, D, E of the crimp tool. This is going to be in A, actually C. Let's do A. A is better. A, and then you can tighten it down on the back side. Then once again go back to E of the crimp tool. Do your 5-pound pull test. Slide it until they lock. Lock the back side. And your pigtail is complete.